going out to the sound palace because Danny Langa is in my control room doing some editing and mixing. I have to walk into the screen. Yes, there's the master.
Might be a delay. Oh, wait, maybe it's... I bet I'm not. Well, let me check with the video that I know works. Send me video. This looks better.
Samson, a fierce warrior, who kept the secret of his strength hidden in his thick, long hair.
Is it delayed?
Maybe it's like...
When his enemies found out,
there's a way to compensate.
he cut it all off.
It's hard to tell.
Without his hair, he became very weak and could no longer fight. When my mother came home in a wheelchair, I didn't know what was wrong, but I knew she was fighting something.
Now, did you put any of that sound on there?
This is all me.
Those footsteps? The
Footsteps, all...
That's foley? Where'd you do it?
UCLA.
The knock on the door?
And that's when
The knock on the door I did put in there.
my mother's a Samson warrior.
So I need to edit those because they're the last thing. But